As plastic pollution reaches alarming levels, more people are turning to eco-friendly alternatives like bamboo cups. These cups not only help reduce plastic waste, but also offer a rustic, natural aesthetic while being highly durable and reusable. Plastic cups have become a popular part of daily life, particularly in cafes, restaurants, and outdoor events. However, the use of plastic cups not only creates massive amounts of waste, but also has serious effects on the environment. This article will examine the impacts of plastic cups and propose some sustainable alternatives. Compared to disposable plastic or paper cups, bamboo cups provide several advantages. They are free from harmful chemicals, safe for health, and contribute to minimizing environmental waste. Additionally, their durability ensures cost savings over time. Bamboo is a highly valued natural material, commonly used in handicrafts and eco-friendly products. In Vietnamese culture, bamboo has played an integral role for centuries due to its versatility and sustainability. One of the primary reasons bamboo is ideal is its rapid growth rate. Unlike trees that take decades to mature, bamboo can grow within a few years with minimal water and no chemical fertilizers. It also adapts well to various climates, making it a highly renewable resource. Bamboo cups are crafted from natural bamboo without harmful chemicals, ensuring safety for consumers. Key features include being BPA-free, durable, lightweight, travel-friendly, and naturally antibacterial. With these benefits, bamboo cups are a sustainable and stylish alternative for eco-conscious consumers. The bamboo cup is crafted from naturally grown bamboo, following a meticulous process to create a product that is both aesthetically pleasing and durable. First, artisans select strong bamboo poles that are free from cracks, typically harvested around 2 to 3 years of age to ensure flexibility and longevity. The bamboo is usually collected during the dry season, which helps in achieving a harder and drier material. Once selected, the bamboo poles are cut into pieces approximately 15 to 20 centimeters long, depending on the desired size of the cup. The ends of the bamboo are processed to create a flat base by cutting and smoothing them out. Next, the exterior and interior surfaces of the cup are sanded down using sandpaper. This step not only ensures a smooth finish, but also removes any small splinters, making the cup safe for use. After sanding, the bamboo cup may be coated with a layer of natural oil or varnish to enhance durability, protect against moisture, and add aesthetic appeal. This process ensures that the cup not only showcases the natural color of bamboo, but also improves its water resistance. Finally, the finished bamboo cups are thoroughly inspected. Those that pass quality control are then packaged and distributed to consumers. This bamboo cup is not only highly functional, but also represents a celebration of nature's value and artisan craftsmanship. Each cup embodies the dedication of its creator, providing users with a wonderful and sustainable experience. The PHU HAO Bamboo Cup is not just an everyday item. It is an experience, a choice for those who appreciate a connection to nature and are passionate about high-quality handcrafted products.